Hi, I'm Steve from GUC, and I want to show you some of the great features of our new online customer self-service tool. After registering to use the system, you can enroll your GUC account to get access and use the tools. If you have more than one account, you can enroll them all under the same username and password. No more logging off and logging back on for each account. You can access all of your accounts in one place. Say you're a caregiver or a roommate who shares bills, or a student and your parents are helping you out with the bills. If they register to use the system, you can give them access to your account, whether it's just to see the account or even pay the bill electronically. Oh, and yes, you can easily pay the bill online via checking account for free or by credit card for a small fee. You can even set up automatic payments. If you're moving, you'll have the ability to stop service online or even transfer your account to a different address if GUC will still be your electric, water, sewer, or natural gas provider. Want to reduce the waste of a paper bill? You can use this system to register for electronic billing. You can even set up notifications you'd like to receive when your bill is ready to view online, when the payment is received, or if it's late. You can also set up an email notification to remind you that your bill is due, and you get to choose the reminder date. Maybe you want a reminder the day before or a week before it's due. The choice is yours, and you can have those notifications go to as many email addresses as you'd like. Want to see how your current utility usage compares to other months? We have easy-to-read graphs to show your consumption over the last 6 or 12 months. Want the convenience of budget billing? You can see what your average bill was for the last 12 months. That's what your budget bill amount would be. Hop on over to our budget bill page to get more details about this wonderful payment option. Our new online system even makes it easy for you to see where outages are or to report one at your location. We think you'll love the convenience and flexibility our customer self-service tool offers all of our GUC customers.